Hi, today I'll show you the off-road auxiliary lights on my VWT3 Vanagon, how they're wired, and the full wiring diagram so you can fix this by yourself in your garage. We'll also take a look at the rear reverse lights that I added for better visibility off-road and at night. Let's start. I have got questions on what kind of off-road lights I have and where I bought it. So that's what today's video is all about. This is one of the best improvements I have made on my van during the years. It's a must in the dark woods, especially here in Sweden, where we have long periods of darkness. This is my front 52-inch curved LED light ramp. It fits the VW Vanagon profile perfect. Since I have a roof rack, I welded custom-made brackets directly on it. Only standard brackets is included in the kit when you buy it, but there is special-made brackets made just for the VW transporters, available online. I drilled a small hole with a rubber grommet in the A-column, and then ran the wires from the light bar down on the inside, then to the fuse box location. The front LED light are connected to the high beam wire for signal, so they only turn on when the high beams are on. All power is taken directly from the battery through a relay and fuse, not through the headlight switch. This protects the headlight switch from overheating and keeps everything safe and reliable. Now let's test the lights on my Vanagon. You will see that the difference is huge. Much better visibility, more control, and a lot more confidence when driving. It's almost like driving in daylight. Next up are the two rear LED reverse lights. These are a game changer when revering in total darkness. The reverse lights are triggered by the original reverse light signal, using the black and blue wire in the stock Volkswagen rear lights. Just like the front light, they're powered through a fuse. No relay is needed here. This setup means the auxiliary reverse lights turn on automatically when reverse gear is selected. No switches, no extra steps. If you want to use the wiring diagrams, you can download them on the Wilderness Patrol's Facebook page. Link below. Where did you buy these lights? I bought them on Amazon for a really good price a couple of years ago. If you use the links below, you will get the best offer and at the same time also support the channel. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, support the channel in the way you can, either by a thumbs up, subscribe, or a small donation with Buy Me a Coffee, so I can make more videos like VWT3 upgrades, tutorials, and longer camping movies. Keep on patrolling the wild. See you soon.